Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will delve into the details of SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, and we are now here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the first day of October in the year 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.28. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing an increase of 4.08%. This results in an average return of 1.36% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a significantly declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which could signal an early trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support at the level of $29.40, a point that may provide a second chance for upward movement. According to fan theory, $49.02 is projected to be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of -46.84% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -85.24% and -55.62%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 49.17% over the next year, with a potential return between 17.86% and 215.77%. This translates to a price range from $41.50 to $111.18 after a year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for SOXL ETF after gaining approximately 0.715%. The SOXL ETF price increased by approximately 0.715% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, rising from $34.96 to $35.21. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 7.74%, with a day low of $33.98 and a day high of $36.61. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by approximately 0.26% over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 6 million more shares were traded than the day before, with 85 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price is approximately 49.76%, or $34.87, below the 52-week high, and 90.69%, or $343.03, below the all-time high on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Direction has recently expanded its exchange-traded fund offerings with funds that focus on key players like Netflix and TSMC. This expansion indicates a growing interest in technology sectors. Such developments could drive additional capital into semiconductor-related exchange-traded funds like SOXL, particularly as the market is abuzz with trends in artificial intelligence and data centers, which fuel demand for chip stocks. In the short term, SOXL could benefit from these trends, especially as hedge funds are heavily investing in technology stocks in anticipation of rate cuts, suggesting robust institutional support. However, the inherent volatility of semiconductor stocks remains a concern. Some analyses warn about SOXL's high-risk profile and the potential for significant declines. Technical indicators suggest that the broader semiconductor market, represented by the SOXX exchange-traded fund, may be nearing a rally phase despite its current downtrend. This points to potential upside for SOXL if semiconductor stocks recover from their recent deficiencies. Nonetheless, caution surrounds SOXL. Some experts advocate for safer alternatives, given SOXL's leveraged nature and past performance issues. Investors should carefully weigh the potential for short-term gains against the risks associated with the exchange-traded fund structure, especially considering its high volatility and negative history over recent months. The landscape remains dynamic, influencing both short-term trading strategies and long-term investment philosophies. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL ETF currently displays a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is present from the long-term average. As the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Should the ETF experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $36.24. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $34.99. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The increasing volume alongside the rising price is considered a favorable technical signal. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the short-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, and so far, it has decreased by 15.62%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 31 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 120 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 52 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 42 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $34.96. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting volatility. With a broad prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this fund is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $2.63 between its high and low, representing a change of 7.74%. For the past week, the average daily volatility has been 8.79%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $37.51. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $34.96. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is SOXL ETF a good investment? Our analysis indicates that SOXL is currently experiencing several negative signals, leading us to believe it will likely underperform in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a cautious outlook on this ETF. After reviewing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, we have determined that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of October, we anticipate SOXL will open at approximately 5.67 cents and commence trading at $35.27. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.